very happy to meet Dr. Katerina from Ukraine, from Odessa, to our courses, ISAGSS courses of aesthetic genital surgery and sexology. Nice to meet you and welcome to Istanbul. Thank you for joining us, our courses. What was your expectancy before this course and what did you find? How did you find? What's your experience for the four days training?
I've been practicing plastic surgery for 10 years, but
Oh,
I've had a lot
nice.
of questions because actually I'm a gyn.
Okay.
I'm a gyn
Yeah.
obstetrician, and for me delivery is cesarean section, but plastic is like a hobby. But the hobby, I must be better than just a hobby.
Yeah.
Yes, it must be a work. So there are a lot of questions because some of the patients I was afraid of because I didn't know how to do it better. Because with glitter hood, when it's bigger, like lower, it's was the questions. About vaginoplastic, I was doing a small plastic. I didn't know how to do further.
Yeah.
I was afraid to do further,
Yeah.
to go further. So, and some of little questions. So I wonder if I will be able to answer these questions so we'll be much more professional in that field.
Yeah.
In that field. So I've got a lot of answers. And you show us everything so clearly, so tenderlessly,
Yeah.
and with all the stage how to do this.
Yeah,
It's
cosmetic
perfect.
gynecology is not so difficult, but it contains too many tips and tricks.
Yeah.
That's
Tricks,
what
yes.
too many tricks. So you need to know about it. And whenever you do something, very small thing, the difference is huge in positive way or negative way. So that's what I like to share with you, Georgiously. What about in your society? What about the people's thinking about the aesthetic gynecology? Because it's a very new field.
A lot of
vision.
women are suffering from this. Are suffering, but didn't know that it can be cured. They are living with that problem and afraid to go. But when they
Maybe
get,
embarrassed as well.
yes.
Yeah, because they're afraid to say something
Yeah, to speak
about
about
the
this.
intimate genital area. It's not easy to say this globally. It's the same,
that's
but
true. Some of them come, I'm sorry, but my husband said I have a problem. I'm sorry, embarrassment, please.
Yeah.
Maybe I'm the one. I'm the
Yeah.
only one in this world. I said, no, you are
Yeah.
not the one, and it can be cured by surgery, but we will help you.
yeah.
And I think that we are making women happy, we are making family happy, and the men also.
Yeah, it's another topic. Yeah, it's
that's
another
true,
story.
that's true, that's very
Okay, all Ukrainian ladies, you can leave yourself to the nice hands of Dr. Katerina. She's very well known, she's very well educated and trained, and also too much experience. And I hope she improved her techniques in our courses as well.
Yes, thank you very much. It's because of you.
Thank you.
very
Thank you for
much.
joining us.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. See you.
Bye-bye.